Imagine a place where emerald waters meet golden sands, where rustic charm intertwines with rich history. Welcome to Elba Island, Tuscany. Here, the turquoise sea laps against beaches of golden grains, while lush greenery paints a breathtaking backdrop. A place where time stands still, Elba Island boasts a history as rich as its natural beauty, with ties to the legendary Napoleon. As the sun rises, the beauty of Elba Island comes alive, promising an unforgettable day ahead. With the first rays of sun, Elba Island begins to stir. The aroma of fresh coffee wafts through the air as the day unfolds. Picture yourself on a pristine sandy beach, the soothing rhythm of the waves a gentle lullaby as you bask in the morning sun. The salty breeze whispers tales of ancient mariners and legendary battles, a testament to the island's rich history. As the day matures, the island invites you to explore its treasures. Traverse the winding trails, where each turn reveals a breathtaking panorama of shimmering turquoise waters and verdant landscapes. Unearth the secrets of the island's past, etched into the walls of its centuries-old fortresses and castles. The afternoon wanes, and the island's vibrant nightlife begins to emerge. The markets bustle with a rainbow of colors, offering a feast for the senses. The aroma of freshly caught seafood grilled to perfection mingles with the sweet scent of local pastries. The lively bars and restaurants echo with laughter, the clinking of glasses a symphony that celebrates the end of another beautiful day. Let's take a moment here to make sure you're part of our journey. Subscribe and like this video so you won't miss a single moment of the magic that Elba Island has to offer. As the sun sets, the island transforms into a lively hub teeming with energy and laughter, promising an unforgettable night. Elba Island is not just about its stunning beaches and lively nightlife, it is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Beyond the sun-soaked shores, the island boasts an array of historical sites, reminding us of its rich past. The Napoleonic residences, where Napoleon Bonaparte was exiled, is a must-visit for history buffs. For nature lovers, Elba's National Park of the Tuscan archipelago is a sanctuary of biodiversity. Here, you can marvel at the diverse flora and fauna on a leisurely hike or a thrilling mountain bike ride. The island also offers a cornucopia of culinary delights. From the freshest seafood to the robust flavors of the local wines, your taste buds are in for a treat. And let's not forget the thrill of snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters, or the joy of wine tasting in a quaint vineyard. Elba Island is a place where every moment is a memory, every sight a story. It is a place that beckons you to explore, to experience, to enjoy.